Hello, Madhur. Very good morning.
Hello.
Hi, dear.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Okay, Madhur. So we had to do that set command now.
Yeah, yeah. There is a noise.
Yes, yes, yes. Don't worry. I'm switching off the AC. And what else do you want to learn? Awk. After this said awk, I'll be teaching.
that
And what else do you want to learn?
you said some evaluate and all these commands like
Eval command. Okay. And
means what else is in there? What else? Is
uh,
that cron thing job processing?
okay, the crawl. Okay. 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 Let me share my screen. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we did this display all lines except range of lines. We did. Okay, all lines having specific word. Suppose I want to delete display all lines having some specific word. Okay, so how to do that? Okay,
Mm.
tomorrow also the same timing 8 to 9. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
today I was late, but I'll make sure that tomorrow I'll be on time.
Mm.
Okay, so deleting data present in a file. Okay, so suppose D is for deletion purpose. Okay, D is for deletion purpose. So when I want to delete any particular line, I'll just write 3D. Okay, so it will delete it. Okay, but it is not permanently deleted. It will be just seen on the screen. Okay, for permanent deletion, we have an option of -I. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, okay. So this is. I do emp.dat na emp.dat. That's my directory. Oh, I have this file. Okay, so I write set. Okay, I want to slash. Suppose I want to search for admin slash. Okay, so it is saying for deletion. Na? So firstly, I search for this hyphen n option. I use na hyphen n. You can see, suppose I want to delete something. So I told you that we use this 3D, 4D, anything like that line number. So said
Mm.
3D, I do emp dot dat. I'm able to delete the third line. You can see 201 line is not there.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Suppose if I want to delete the first line, I'll write 1D. But if I want to delete the last line, I'll write $D because I don't know what is the last line number. Okay, understood very well.
Yeah, yeah.
So, a question in the interview can be asked that how to delete a line permanently, last line, when you don't know how much big your file it is. So, set $D. Okay,
Yes.
to delete permanently, as I told you. Okay, hyphen I is the option. Okay, it deletes that record permanently from your file. Okay, so this command won't display anything to the console, but the fifth record in the file will be deleted. Okay, so let's try this also. I make a copy of it. Okay, you can see now. Let's check emp1.dat. Understood?
Yeah, yeah. Second is deleted. Yes, yes.
Okay. Next, if I want to delete 3D, okay,
Mm. Mm.
I do like this. So this has been deleted permanently. Hyphen I is used to delete lines permanently from your
Mm.
system. Okay, file. Now if I want to delete range of lines, so 1 comma $D, okay, or 2 comma 4D, whatever range of lines you want. Okay, so I'll write like this, 1 comma 3D.
Mm.
Understood? So I write like this, 1 comma 3D. So I write cat emp1 dot dat. You can see only if last line is left now.
One, two, three.
Understood?
Mm. Mm.
So this is how to delete range of lines. Now if I want to delete specific lines, okay, some specific lines, okay, for that purpose it's not of any use. Only when we want to delete a range of lines, okay, we use that, and when we don't to delete specific line, we use that only. Now replacing data present in your file. Okay, how to replace data? For substitution purpose, we use this esc. Okay, for deletion we were using d. Okay, for here
Mm.
we, for substitution we are using s. Okay, so
Mm.
how to
Mm.
use this? So here I have this demo.txt. हाँ उठा रही हूँ मम्मी. So we have this demo.txt.
Yes.
Okay, so we have this demo.txt. In this demo.txt we have all these files, and okay, data. Now what we have to do is we have to convert Durga with Linux.
Mm.
Okay, so how to do that?
Mm.
So let me make this, or we can do it with there only. Okay, how to do that? So this is same as the vi command. Okay, so
Mm.
say I do get emp.dat. Okay, so said ठीक है s/, okay, suppose I want to change admin, okay, suppose I want to change admin, admin to ACC, suppose. Okay, if I do it like this, so first changes only will be seen. So first change only you can see that
Hmm.
ACC has changed. Okay, admin others, only one admin was there. Two admin were there, no? Yeah, two admin. Okay, they have changed. If you wanted to make it global, we put a G. Okay, so globally the changes are done. Okay,
Hmm.
everywhere. So S, wherever admin is there, change it with ACC. Just like VI, we write the command, the substitution command. Same here also.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Durga to be replaced by Linux globally. It will replace all occurrences of Durga with Linux while displaying the content. It won't modify file content. Okay.
Hmm.
Now suppose I want to ignore the case. Okay. Suppose I write admin in capital letter. So you can see admin has not changed because admin in file is small letter. Okay, so I want to ignore the case. I'll write this GI option. Understood?
Hmm. Yeah.
So for that, if we want to ignore the case, we opt for GI option. I stands for ignore case. Okay. If I want to
Hmm.
replace permanently, I'll put an hyphen I option. Okay. Understood? If I
Which
want to
one?
replace
Okay. Okay.
permanently,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
put an hyphen I option. Okay.
Hmm.
Now suppose I want to replace every blank line in the file with any word. Okay, suppose I make some blank lines in the file. Okay, so there are two blank lines as you can see, three
Yeah.
blank lines. Okay, I want to replace them with any word. Okay, so how to replace them? Okay, said hyphen I option I used. Okay, S slash caret dollar. Caret dollar means blank line. Wherever you find any blank line, you replace it with Sonali, suppose, slash G. Okay, emp1.dat. Okay, it's cat emp1.dat.
Hmm.
Understood? How to replace blank line? Blank line is denoted by caret dollar, means nothing is there in between them. So that is blank. Caret stand for first and dollar stands for ending.
Carrot stand for
First, first,
first. Okay. Okay. And
and
okay.
dollar stands for ending.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Now, if I want to delete this Sonali, okay, wherever this word Sonali is there, okay, you delete it. Okay, so how to delete it? Hyphen I put S slash. I want to search for this word. So this word can't be searched like this. For searching, we have to use this expression like this. Okay, so let me show you. Said hyphen I. Okay, S slash. Okay, this I use like this. I use this Sonali. Okay, I close it. Okay, I want to delete it. Okay, Suppose I've done like this, so there's a confusion. No, since I have to delete it, so I am putting a blank line. Okay, I'm a blank line and a whole globally I want to do the things emp1 dot dat some expression problem and terminated. Wait here. So you can see in place of Sonali.
Yeah. Okay.
Understood? So this is how we search it for slash. Okay, in this I'll write the word whatever I want. Okay.
Hmm.
Next is this is little bit of typical. Okay. Uh, Suppose I have any three-digit word. I want to delete it. Okay. Any three-digit word I have. Suppose I have numbers in my file. Okay. So now what it is saying is that I want to search it, okay, and delete it, okay, three digit. So similarly, as I did with numbers, as with the name, I am doing with numbers, but the range, okay, so it is putting the range 0 to 9, okay. So similar things we need to do. Firstly, let me do the changes in emp1.a. Okay, so we have this 500. Okay, I make a 439, 43. I put 24. I put 90. I put. Okay, so two digit I am searching. Okay, so I do sed hyphen I s slash. Okay, this, then I search for this. I put a range 0 to 9. Again, a range 0 to 9. Okay, two only I am putting. Okay, then I put a slash. Then I put this, and is in place of that I don't want to give anything. Suppose I want to give uh, done. Okay, slash g emp1.dat. Understood?
Hmm. Hmm.
You can see in place of two-digit number, I got this done.
Hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the maximum possibility things I have taught you about the set. Okay,
Hmm.
I have shared the document with you, set document.
No. No.
I'm setting some practice questions as well. Okay,
Yes.
Okay, I've sent all of them. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Now next to do is with org programming. Okay. Or okay, let us complete this short ones. Tomorrow we shall start the org. Okay. So today we'll be doing those uh, cron and at or batch. Okay. Some these functions. Okay.
Mm.
Wait for a minute. Just. So do you know want to do more about services and all, run level and all these things? Do you want to know
Which one?
run level? What is run level? Do you want to
Yeah,
know services?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what is kind of services? Okay, there are multiple services. Okay, suppose I have FTP, I have SSH, I have Telnet. Okay, so in behind that there are multiple services which are running actually. Okay, which are making these programs run in your system. Okay, so a single Linux system can provide several different kinds of services, ranging from security to administration, and including more obvious internet services like websites and FTP sites, emailing, and printing. Okay, so security tools like SSH, Kerberos runs as services. Okay, and along with administrative network tools such as DHCP and LDAP. So the network connection interface is itself a service. The network, the connections. Do you know ping command?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So these are all. There are multiple commands to check that whether your system is alive or not, whether your website is alive or not. Okay. Do you know how to check your IP address?
RP config slash.
Yes. Or if config hyphen a.
Mm.
So you can see here inet. It is showing me this is my IP address. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are different commands, the small commands, how to check your IP address, how to make connections. Okay. Now suppose I have a server. I want to connect to the FTP server. Okay, so I need to start the service VSFTPD. Okay, the service name is VSFTPD, which I need to start in order to connect to my server. I can't connect it if the service is not alive. Okay, so I need to check the status. Okay, so I write that service VSFTPD status. Firstly, I check. So you can see it is active and it is running. If it has not been active, I won't be able to connect to FTP. Okay, so they behind every things which are running, there is a service behind it. Okay, each and everything there is a service behind it.
Mm.
So the process of starting up and shutting down a service is handled by service scripts. Okay, so this work is done by the service scripts itself. The network connection interface is itself a service which you can restart at will. Each service operates as a continually running daemon, looking for request for its particular services. Okay, actually what happens is that they are daemon processes, they are running in behind. If I want to activate them, they will be activated. If I want to stop them, okay, they will be stopped. I want to see the status, we can see the status. So we it is in our hands of shutting down the daemon or starting up the daemon. Okay, all is in our hand only. Next is etc.rc.d file. Okay, an etc directory contains all the configuration file actually. Okay, it contains all those configuration files which are needed in our day-to-day life. Okay, so each time you start your system, it reads a series of startup commands from system initialization file located in etc.rc.d. Okay, so there are initialization files located in this directory. Okay, so it reads a series of startup commands. Okay, so some of the files of rc.d directory are, okay, so some of the files of rc.d directory are, okay, we have this rc.d, rc.sys in it, then we have rc.local, then we have init.d. Okay, so these are the different files. So this first is the rc.d, rc.sys init. Okay, it holds the commands for initializing your system, including the mounting and unmounting of your file system. Okay, so it holds the commands for initializing your system. Okay, when you want to start your system, it contains all the commands, including the mounting and unmounting of your file system. Okay, next is rc.d, rc.local. Okay, rc.local, it is the last initialization file executed. Okay, you can place commands of your own here. rc.local, here we can place commands of our own. Suppose when I want to shut down, when my system is getting shut down, I want some commands that they should be read. Okay, and they should be displayed. Suppose I want that when my system is shut down, my terminal should display the date, the current working directory, okay, the calendar, anything, these kinds of things, and it should say hello, bye bye, like that. So all these things and commands I need to mention in rc.local file. Okay. Then I have this init.d. Okay. The files in init.d are then called to shut down daemons. Okay. So when my system is getting shut down, init.d files are called. Okay, to close all those daemon processes which are running in background, and to unmount my file system. Whatever my file system has been mounted, unmount it and close all those daemon processes running behind. So you can see here, these are the files and directories with their description. So this init.d, it holds network scripts to start up network connections. Okay, all of these are there. rc.d, it holds the system startup and shutdown files. Now start a service. How to start a service? Okay, so firstly check in etc directory all the configuration files. Then suppose I have a cron service. Okay, so I told you how to start a service. Okay, so I write a sudo. Sudo is for giving some privileges to the root user. Okay, I wrote sudo service start, sudo service cron status. Firstly I'll check. Sorry. So you can see it is active and it is running. Okay, now what I do is I stop it. So you can see it has been stopped. Now I can want to check the status again. So you can see it is written inactive and dead. Okay, so I what I do is I start the service again. So you can see now it is active and running. Are you doing in your PC?
No, no, no.
Try it out. These are the commands. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Next is the service hyphen status hyphen all. So I write the service hyphen status hyphen all. So all those start services which are running have got this plus sign, and those which are not running are have this minus sign. You can see the plus sign with the services which are running. This is the FTP server service. It is running, so it is having the plus sign. SSH is running, it is having a plus sign. Understood?
Mhm.
And then what is run level? Okay, the run level, it is a state of init. Okay, and the whole system defines what system services are operating. Actually, what happens is that whenever we start our system, okay, there are different kinds of run levels. Okay, 0, 1, 2, whatever it is. Okay, it tells me what kind of system I want. Okay, for that purpose we use this run level. Okay, so these are identified by numbers. Run level is a mode or a state in Linux in which a Linux system operates. It has a crucial role in the management of Linux system. Okay, so it has a crucial role in the management of Linux system. So whenever a Linux system boots, suppose my Linux system is booting, okay, firstly the init process is started, which is actually responsible for running other startup scripts. Whenever my Linux system boots, suppose, okay, so init process is started, which is actually responsible for running other startup scripts, which mainly involves initialization of your hardware, bringing up the network, and starting the graphical interface. Okay, now the init first finds the default run level of the system so that it can run the start scripts. Okay, so what is the default run level? Let me show you. So these are the different default run levels. Okay, 0 is for halt, shutdown system. 1, if I opt, it is a single user mode. Single user mode means does not configure network interfaces, start daemons, and allow non-root logins. Okay, then we have multi-user mode. Okay, multi-user mode does not configure network interfaces. Multi-user mode with networking, it starts the system normally. Fourth is undefined. Fifth is X11. Okay, so sixth is reboot. Okay, so who space hyphen r is used to tell your current run level. Okay, who space hyphen r, it is saying my run level is 5. Okay, or run level command is also used. It is saying my run level is 5, which means that I have an x11 mode. Okay, means run level 3 plus x manager, means I am multi-user mode with my networking also, and I have x windows also enabled with me. Okay, so this is the run level. So now the init first finds the default run level of the system so that it can run the start scripts corresponding to the default run level. A run level can simply be thought as a state of the system. Enters like if a system is in a single user mode, okay. If it will have run level 1, if the system is in multi user mode, it will have run level 5. So this is
Uh,
typically you can say it is a state of the operating system. Okay, in which state I want my operating system to be. Okay, so we can change it manually also, but this is the work of the admin. Okay, so here you can see run level sudo init 3 for changing the run level.
mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
any problem?
What is this run label? I mean to say.
Run level, it is a state of the system. Okay, in which run level my system is enabled. Okay, during booting process, my operating system picks up that process, my boot files picks that run level only, and we are able to see that only. Okay, suppose I had run level 1, it is a single user mode, only one user would work in that case. No network configuration would interfaces connections we can't do, only one user will be working. If I do two multi-user mode, so multiple users will be there, but networking would not be there. Okay, but here I am having X11, so everything I am having means multi-user plus networking plus X windows also enabled. Okay, so this is the run level state. Understood?
Okay.
Pakka? Any
I mean,
problem?
no.
Okay. Then we have these scheduling jobs. Okay. So what does you mean by scheduling jobs? Okay, we schedule some jobs. Suppose I want to take every day. I want to take a backup of my system at night. I can't sit at night and take the backup now and wait for my backup to complete. Okay, I can't do that now. So instead of doing this, what I do is we allow some commands to take the to do our work when we are not uh, at hand. Okay, for that purpose we have these commands. Okay, so cron jobs are suitable for servers which run 24 cross 7 continuously. Okay, while the anocron is better suited for desktops and laptops which are powered off when not in use. Furthermore, cron is
Mm.
yes.
Networks continuous. The power of one use. Okay. Furthermore, Chrome is more granular. We can run jobs at a specific time and go on. True false. Hello.
Yes, you're saying something?
No, no. I was reading that.
Okay, I thought you want to say something. Okay, so cron, okay, the server, it is that my jobs are running 24 cross 7 continuously, okay? But in Anocron, okay, it is best suited for desktops and PCs, okay, which are powered off when not in use. Okay, furthermore, cron is more granular and can run jobs at a very specific time. Okay, but anacron has minimum time interval of once per day. Okay, so here it is a details about cron. Okay, so cron is used to execute scheduled commands. When I want to execute scheduled commands, I use cron. Then it assumes that the system is running continuously. It means the servers when okay, that the server is running continuously. If system is not running during the time the job is scheduled, it will not run. Suppose I want that at 8 p.m. My cron job to be running. Okay, but my system is closed, so it will not run. Okay, can schedule jobs down to the precise minute. Okay, universally available on all the Unix systems. Okay, and it is a daemon process. Okay, cron is a daemon process. While Anacron, it is best suited for PCs and laptops, okay, and they're often powered off when not in use, okay. So jobs will run if it hasn't been executed in a set amount of time. Okay, minimum time frame is 1 day. Anacron is not a daemon, okay, but it relies on cron only for running and all, okay. So here are
Mm.
some having commands having daemon scheduling properties. We have add, batch, and cron tab. Okay, so three commands we have: add, batch, and cron tab. So first is add. Okay, it can only schedule the job only once. Okay, one time only it can schedule any job. Add command. The service is ATD. Okay, I'll show you the service. Okay, you also do it with me. So you can see my ad services, ad daemon service is running. Okay, and it is active. Now what I do is I check my current date. You can see it
Mm-hmm.
is right now 8:57. Okay.
Yes.
Now, so why I schedule my job at 8:59. Okay. 8:59. You schedule your job according to your timing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here I want to show, I want to see is at 8:59 I want that echo happy programming should be sent to a file pr.txt. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But I make this file inside home sonali mridul pr.txt. Okay. I press exit, control D. Okay. Now I want to see the jobs 80-L. So it is listing me that 8:59 my job will run. Okay. So I am waiting for 8:58. Let's check whether it has been created or not. It's not been created till now. Okay. Let's wait for the timing of 8:59. When this timing will be done, my job, my work should be done. Okay, that means happy programming should be sent to the file should be created. 80-L is used for listing purpose whatever the jobs are there. So the time has not been there till now. So you can see the timing is over. Okay, let's check whether it has been created or not. So you can see pr.txt has been created. Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it asap. You have to give the timing and then echo happy programming to be sent to a file, suppose.
I think 80 is not working in my
Share your screen.
Mia. Second. Able to see
Yes.
if I do 80.
No, firstly you check, press write A and press tab.
Which one? A N.
No, no. Write sudo service 80D space 80D status.
Command not home.
Sudo command not found.
sudo is also.
Okay, so you go in root. Go in root. Not like that, dear. Su hyphen root. Exit from here right now.
Where to this?
So on which are you working? Where are you working?
I'm working in this directory. This one.
No, you have installed this Ubuntu.
No, no. I this Seguin is there.
Oh, Sigwin, it won't work, dear. On
Okay.
Sigwin, it won't work. Let's check whether you have this command or not. Just write 80 and press enter. Press enter. No, it won't
Hmm.
support. These are scheduling commands, and it's just a page. Okay, it's just a so it won't work. Okay, here.
Okay.
Next is batch command. What does this batch command do? The batch command is same, but what happens is it lets the system decide the best time. Let me share my screen.
Okay.